We made it on our long trip to Hillsborough River State Park. How far was it, babe?
Like 8 miles from when we parked the RV, maybe 20 miles from home.
Super long drive. Ha ha.
Don't come here often.
Nope.
We like it. We're in site 99 Hillsborough River State Park. We like this park, but the campsites aren't the best. Anyway, 99's got a brand new power pole with 120 and 130. I'm sorry, 220s and 130. The bad thing is that the power here is pretty weak and dirty. It's about 110 without anything plugged in. As soon as we turn the AC on, it drops down to 108, 107. So it's that's not very good. Anyway, got our Starlink. Seeing enough of the sky. Small site, picnic table, and we are gonna go take the trash. We are gonna go for a quick hike before it gets too hot. We are gonna go walk the river trail. Dry. Looks like the river's got some good water in it. Yeah, doesn't it?
It does.
I love these massive cypress, man. Look at that. These suckers are big.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I love these things. Don't you? I mean, good lord. Just big. I like the cypress knees too. There's your turtles right there.
Oh, yeah.
Sam?
Cool looking, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't think I've seen it this low here before.
I don't think I have either.
It is pretty though, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, the fungi.
Our fungi. I like that.
It's pretty.
It is pretty. Ready?
Right now, quite well.
Don't need any old people bumbling around mishaps, right?
Absolutely.
That's a good sound, isn't it? Thank goodness for cloud cover. You have to zoom in on those turtles right there. The Hank Memorial Cypress Tree. He likes sitting under this thing, didn't he?
He did. I
Posing.
think he remembered it, don't you?
Yeah, he'd pose.
Okay, get over there.
Let me get a picture of the top first.
Yeah.
Man, that thing is massive. It goes way up there. Hot. Wonder if there's any water in the rapids.
Yeah.
Where'd our cloud go?
Yeah. Where's our cloud?
Definitely starting to look green back here.
Mm-hmm.
You may not be able to tell on the because of the gray skies, but it's pretty back here. Coming up on the rapids. Hopefully there's enough water going through them, but the bad thing about the rapids, it's where there's a lot of two-legged animals that hang out. And I don't like two-legged animals.
Yeah.
I only like four-legged ones. That's pretty low. Not much there, is there? Well, the rapids just weren't very impressive.
No.
Too many people to get back away from them. $5 if you step in the mud puddle.
Nope.
I'll get you a new pair of Hey Dudes. How about that? I'd much rather go on the river part than through the woods. Use of the mugginess, it's here.
Not prepared for it.
It's like they flipped on a light switch and said, muggy now. In fact, it is sprinkling a little bit.
Tree.
Yeah, see you later, Hank Tree. Hank Cypress. Kelly back there taking pictures of my ass. Kind of a pretty area right through here. Next dip today.
Is it?
Yeah. Can't she walk down there?
No. That's why I thought the tree was.
That's pretty, isn't it?
It is peaceful.
Yeah. Ready to do that, but with a kayak down that, which is beautiful. Isn't it, Kel?
It is.
Love this river. Hillsborough River is so pretty. All right, here we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Need to stop my watch. Super pretty. My problem with this is I feel like the seat's too far forward for me.
Oh.
I can't. I have to have my legs bent the whole time. All right.
Man,
Huh?
I can't believe how high it is.
Yeah, it's super peaceful. I like it when we got the whole river by ourselves. Got one left. The other one was a coward. There he goes. Scaredy cat. Look at the, looks like those elephant ear.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
Yes, look at that. A big clump of them.
Oh my goodness. So pretty. There's a small baby gator in the water to the left. It's a baby.
Oh, right there.
Look how little he is.
Yeah, he's a little one.
Those things are pretty, aren't they, Kel?
Gosh, they're gorgeous. Look, we have yellow flowers.
Yeah. Kind of get you. He's not super big, but he's not small. He's in the shade. He's smiling at you. He's wondering what Kelly tastes like. What does Kelly taste like? It's funny how these cypresses just sort of rot and stuff on the inside, but
Yeah.
they continue to
Yeah, they're so
thrive.
pretty, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at that.
And they're beautiful.
They really are.
It's getting better than this,
I know.
does it?
No.
Hopefully there'll be a big old banana spider. You don't see any gators on the shore there, do you?
Oh, no. Better not.
Well, I do see a big old web there. Look down your front. I don't know why I get so much amusement out of that, but I do.
So peaceful.
Huh?
The water's so
Oh, yeah.
smooth.
Super peaceful.
No No one talking out loud,
Hey,
screaming.
you don't have any loud people?
Here we go. Into the jungle.
A really good tree.
I think it's shut.
Oh, it is, yeah. That's a good looking gator there.
That's a good size.
I don't know, but I'm enjoying the breeze. Are you?
Yeah.
I mean, really kicked up all of a sudden, didn't it?
Yeah.
Bird's making some noises, isn't he?
Yeah.
That's a pretty turtle, isn't it? He's a big one. No, he's not shy. It's a hot spot in the river right here, isn't it? I mean, the reflection is awesome, isn't it?
It is.
All right, here we go. Cypresses have some big damn root balls, don't they, or bases?
Don't they ever?
Look at that thing.
This one down here.
Yeah, that was pretty right there. It's all gnarly looking.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Over behind it.
I mean, that looks man-made.
It does.
I mean, look at
There's
it.
just nature there.
That is so pretty, isn't it?
It is beautiful.
Where's my water moccasin? This would be a good home for him right here.
Exactly.
Look at this thing, man. I love cypress trees like this,
I
don't
do
you?
too. Love
Little
it.
juvenile alligator there.
Staying out of
Tucked,
trouble.
yeah, tucked up against the bank, hiding.
Still not comfortable
No.
without Mama.
He doesn't like it out here. Rock Island, Kel.
That's what we got.
I'm gonna pass you this. Let's take it right on the paddle.
All right.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. My kayak butt's not lasting very long today. What's the deal with that? These seats aren't the most comfortable. See how I have to have my leg?
Are you back there?
I'm back here. Having fun, enjoying the scenery.
I'm enjoying it too. And we have the river all to ourselves.
Ain't nobody else on here.
That's the way we like it.
That's the way I love it. The only thing out here is gators and birds. And
Okay, we're
turtles.
going to go all the way around.
There you go. I don't want it. All right, I need to find us some shade.
Please.
He's aware of us now. God, that's pretty. Oh, those great herons. Did you ever have one like not be afraid of us? Have you?
Oh, I wish he'd take off
Keeping his eye on us. Aren't they pretty?
though. Beautiful.
Now, here comes the rocky area.
Yeah.
It's a good tree, isn't it, Bird?
It's the perfect tree. And it's living on the edge of the bank.
It is.
Look at that scenery up above.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
That's a male. It could be a female. I don't know, but that's a good sized gator right there. Pretty, aren't they? Yeah. There's our kayak exit. Oh man, I love being under this canopy. Look at that. It's just so pretty. You pick our landing spot.
Coming in for a landing. And we made it. Woo!
Backwash. We are back from our paddle. So when we first got here, we were in spot 99. Really dirty power, low voltage. You got down to like 102. So we ended up moving to 105 that night, and we've stayed here for the last 2 nights. But 105, the power was 118 volts and fairly stable. So it's a small site, not very private, but good enough for us for the summer. Yeah, small pad made out of packed shell, 1 water. We got a 50 think there's a 50 in here. Let's see. Yeah, 50, a 30, and 2 20s. Fire pit that we didn't get to use, too hot. And there's a fire band, picnic table. But anyway, this place is only 10 miles from where we parked the RV, maybe 20 miles from home, which is where we're headed.
Good stay at Hillsborough River.
Fix up the park a little. Call
Yep.
Tallahassee, say, give us more funds.
Yeah, there you go. They do have some repairs that
They
they
do.
need to take care of. But
Power's
other
one of
than that, we had a good time.
We did.